हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे जो यूजीसी के द्वारा फिज़िकल एजुकेशन का सिलेबस है, उसमें जो 10 यूनिट हैं, यूनिट 1 टू यूनिट 10 में क्या क्या वहाँ मेंशन किया है उसके रिगार्डिंग हम बात करेंगे। जो नेट के अकॉर्डिंग फिज़िकल एजुकेशन में यूनिट 1 में सबसे पहले है Physical education and adapted physical education, their objectives, philosophy of education as applied to physical education, development of physical education in Greece, Rome, Sweden, Russia, England, Denmark, Germany, USA, Australia and China. Growth and development of physical education in India, recreation, its principles, practices and importance, modern trends in recreation, indoor and outdoor recreation programs, recreational program for various categories of people, wellness, its important benefits and challenges, development and maintenance of wellness, टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड क्या है, नेचर, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ टीचिंग, लर्नर प्रैक्टिसेस एंड टीचिंग मेथड्स, सोशल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, सोशल एज ए सोशलाइजिंग एजेंसी, सोशल वैल्यूज, स्पोर्ट्स लीडरशिप, स्पोर्ट्स एज ए कल्चर हेरिटेज एंड सोशल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ कंपटीशन, एशियन एंड मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स, एशियन एंड कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स। तो ये यूनिट 1 में ये सारी चीज़ें डिस्प्ले की हैं कि उसमें हिस्टोरिकल पार्ट, मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम, एशियन, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम, ग्रोथ, टीचिंग, वेलनेस, इन सब के बारे में यहाँ बात की है। तो लास्ट में यूनिट 1 में है स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ इंटरनेशनल एंड नेशनल बॉडीज कंट्रोलिंग वेरियस गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स, प्रोमिनेंट ऑनर्स एंड अवार्ड्स इन गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स। सो यूनिट 2 में है एक्सरसाइज फिजियोलॉजी, इट्स स्कोप एंड इम्पोर्टेंस इन द फील्ड ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन एंड स्पोर्ट्स, कार्डियो रेस्पिरेटरी एडेप्टेशंस टू लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट टर्म फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, मसल्स, इट्स टाइप, प्रैक्टिसेस एंड फंक्शंस, माइक्रोस्कोपिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ मसल फाइबर, स्लाइडिंग फिलामेंट थ्योरी ऑफ मस्कुलर कंट्रैक्शन, types of muscle fibers and sports performance, muscular adaptations to exercise, neuromuscular junction and transmission of nerve impulse, kinesthetic sense organs and neural control of motor skills, biochemical aspects of exercise, metabolism of food products, aerobic and anaerobic system during rest and exercise, direct and indirect method of measuring energy cost of exercise, recovery process क्या है, physiological aspects of fatigue, restoration of energy stores, recovery oxygen, nutritional aspects of performance, environmental influence on human physiology under exercise, women in sports trainability, physiological gender differences and special problem of women athletes, aging, physiological consequences, lifestyle management and healthful aging, physiological responses of various therapeutic modalities and rehabilitations, physiological aspects of various ergogenic aids, massage manipulations and their physiological responses। तो ये यूनिट 2 में ये सारा फिजियोलॉजिकल पार्ट मेंशन किया है। यूनिट 3 में किनेसियोलॉजी एंड बायोमैकेनिक्स, मॉडर्न ट्रेंड्स इन बायोमैकेनिक्स, प्लेन एंड एक्सिस ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी, जॉइंट एंड देयर मूवमेंट्स, मसल अटैचमेंट, ओरिजिन, इंसर्शन, एक्शन, लीवरेज ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल मसल यूज्ड इन स्पोर्ट्स, मोशन, its law and their application in sports, projectile and principles of projectile, linear and angular kinematics and kinetics, friction, spin, impact, elasticity, air and water dynamics, mechanical advantage and applications of lever in sports, posture and deformities with their corrective exercise, kinesiological, muscular and mechanical analysis of fundamental movements, mechanical analysis of major sports skill. Now in unit 4, that is sports psychology, it's important in the field of physical education and sports, motivation in sports, types, theory and dynamics, psychological factor affecting sports performance, emotions, anxiety, aggression, stress, self-confidence, concentration, mental practice and goal setting, personality, theory of personality, measurement of personality, group dynamics, group cohesion and leadership in sports, cognitive process, memory and thinking, principles of motor skill learning, transfer of training and its type with its implications in sports, long and short term psychological preparation for sports league competition, psychological skill training for activation and relaxation, spectators and sports performance. In unit 5, development of teacher education for physical education in India, comparative study of professional preparation in physical education of India with those of USA, Russia, Germany, Australia and UK, professional and other courses of physical education in India, role of government agencies monitoring professional courses in physical education, qualities, qualification and responsibility of physical education personnel at primary, secondary and higher education level, scope of physical education personnel in the promotion of health, fitness and wellness, recent government policies for promoting physical education and sports in India, hierarchy of organizational setup in physical education at schools, colleges and university level, role of public and private sectors in the promotion of physical education and sports in the country, curriculum development, concept and principles of curriculum planning, subject matter for different level of education, primary, secondary and higher education, curriculum design and content, importance, selection, classification of subject matter with reference to age, sex and differently abled pupils, integrated program for boys and girls, teaching aids, timetable, concept, credit system for various subject courses, theory and practical, impact of technology in physical education and sports, curriculum evaluation, concept and purpose, procedure and appraisals. So now the unit 6, health, its objectives and spectrum, health education, its importance and principles, role of genetics and environment in achieving health, health related physical fitness, community health program, health appraisal and health instructions, international and national health promoting government and private agencies, school health program and personal hygiene, communicable diseases, cause, symptoms, prevention through other means and immunization, psychosomatic disorders, sedentary lifestyle disease, cause, symptoms and prevention, obesity related health problems, body weight control and its significance on health, role of exercise, dieting and combination of exercise and dieting on weight control, first aid objectives and principle, first aid for shock, poisoning, burn, drawing, bleeding, electric shock and common sports injuries, pollution, air, water, sound and radiation, effect of pollution on health, prevention and safety measure from pollution, nutrition, balanced diet and its component, nutritional deficiencies, understanding of malnutrition and nutritional supplements, effect of smoking, alcohol and drug on health, prevention and rehabilitation. In unit 7, sports training, its characteristics, principles, training load, its features, principles and adaptation process, mean and method of executing training load, overload, its causes, symptoms and remedial measures, strength, its characteristics, types of strength, factors determining strength and strength development, endurance, its characteristics, type of endurance, factor determining endurance and endurance development, speeds, its characteristics, type of speed, factor determining speed and speed development. Flexibility, its characteristics, type of flexibility, factor determining flexibility and flexibility development. Coordinative abilities, its characteristics, types of coordinative abilities, factor determining coordinative abilities and development of coordinative abilities. Technique and skill, its characteristics and importance, different stages of technique development and technique training, tactics and strategy. Planning, its importance and principles, type of planning. Periodization, its importance, objectives, type of periodization, concept of different periods, preparatory competition and transitional type of competition. Talent identification process and procedure. नेक्स्ट है यूनिट 8, जिसमें रिसर्च इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन, इट्स इम्पोर्टेंस, क्लासिफिकेशन, एथिकल इश्यूज इन रिसर्च, मेथड ऑफ रिसर्च, descriptive, historical and experimental research design, identification and formulation of research problem, types of research hypotheses and their formulation, hypothesis testing, tools of research, questionnaires, opinions, interviews and observations. Source and steps of literature search, library, research database, internet, search engines, online journals, note-taking, critical reading. Sampling techniques, probability and non-probability. Data, its type and collecting measures. Normal probability curve and grading scales. Statistical procedures, their importance and use in research. Application of parametric and non-parametric statistical technique in research. Computer application statistical packages for data analysis, SPSS, email, search engines and Microsoft Office. Preparation of research proposal, report, abstract, paper for publication and paper for presentation. Next is Unit 9. Test, measurement and evaluation, their types and importance in physical education and sports. Principles and process of evaluation in physical education. Criteria of selecting an appropriate test and administration of testing program. Types of test and construction of standard knowledge and skill test. Test for fitness, physical fitness, motor ability and motor educability. Health related fitness test. Test for fitness component, strength, endurance, speed, flexibility and coordinative abilities. Sports skill test, badminton, basketball, football, hockey, tennis and volleyball. Anthropometric measurement, landmarks and measurement of various body segment, height, sitting height, weight, diameters, circumferences, skin fold, body mass index, ponderal index. Somatotypes and posture evaluating techniques. Testing of physiological phenomena, blood pressure, breathing frequency, vital capacity, heart rate, pulse rate, body temperature and body composition. Test for psychological variables, anxiety, aggression, team cohesion, achievement, motivation, mental toughness and self-efficacy. And in Unit 10, management, its principles and theories, scope of management in physical education and sports, guiding principle for organizing physical education and sports program in institution, personal management objectives and principles, self-appraisals, communication skills and time management, essential skills of administration. Financial management objectives, purposes, principles and scopes, planning and preparation of budget, mechanics of purchase and auditing. Supervision objective principle and importance of supervision, techniques of supervision, duties and responsibility of a supervisor. Facility management, planning, procuring, maintenance of facilities, indoor and outdoor facility, planning and management of sports infrastructure, management of records, role of sports management, interpersonal, informational, decision making, managerial skills, technical, human and conceptual, quality of qualification of sports manager, event management, its principle, planning, checklist, rehearsal, itinerary, execution, reporting, follow-up procedures of an event, and public relation principles of public relation in physical education, sports, mass media, communication and publicity, qualification of public relationship officer. सो ये 10 यूनिट है जो यूजीसी ने फिज़िकल एजुकेशन के लिए नेशनल एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट के लिए वो मेंशन किया है. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.